Black River Limited departs this day from the station in Ringoes, heading towards Flemington. Steam engine number 60 is running tender first, pulling the Erie caboose and 2 coaches. In Flemington, she'll do a run-by and head the train, engine first, back to Ringoes.
And while we're just cruising along here, leaving out Ringoes, I'll give you a little history of the railroad itself. Our railroad is deep back in over 160 years. In 1850, the Flemington Railroad chartered its route from Lambertville, New Jersey to Flemington, a total of 12 miles. Track construction began in 1853 at Lambertville, where a connection was made with the Belvedere Delaware Railroad. The track was completed the following year to Flemington, and the railroad officially opened. During the Civil War, another connection was made with the South Branch of Somerville Railroad, later a Jersey Central Branch, at Flemington. The Pennsylvania Railroad soon took over the Flemington Railroad and operated the line as their Flemington branch. Passenger service on the line ended in 1931. Most of the freight handled on this line consists of agricultural products such as milk, eggs, peaches, pears, and apples, and other perishables. After a brief stint in Chester, New Jersey, the Black River and Western Excursion Railroad made an agreement with the Pennsylvania Railroad in operating scenic excursion trains on this line. The first excursion train ran in May of 1965. We've been here ever since. The Black River and Western Railroad initially formed in 1961 and originally operated on Jersey Central's Chester branch between Chester and Long Valley, New Jersey, before finding a permanent home on this line. Our namesake, the railroad, comes from the Black River, a stream near Long Valley, and trains running west of Chester, hence the name, Black River and Western. Visit Flemington, take a tractor ride and grab a well-themed treat from either a snack bar or one of our specialty farm stands set up in the field. Also, on the left-hand side of our train is a farmhouse with a red roof. As we pass by the farm, keep your eyes out for all sorts of animals grazing in the field near the track. Quite often there will be donkeys and goats in the field right next to the train. You may notice a small red shed on the left-hand side of the train. That was our hometown station, which has seen better days. You'll see the remnants of a large facility on the left side of the train, as the large letters indicate this is the remains of Huntington Concrete. Beginning in the early 1950s, Huntington Concrete received gravel and sand from the railroad to make concrete. The plant stopped using the railroad in the early 1970s when it switched to using trucks. The plant continued to operate until the early 2000s. Most of the plant still stands. Now, make sure to wave to the golfers as we pass by. We are now crossing Upper Hill Road. I think there may be some hard-time gophers out there. And I do mean gophers and not golfers. curious about the train you're riding on today, let us know. Our locomotive pulling our train today is old number 60. Originally operated on the Great Western Railroad in Colorado, built in August of 1937 by the American Locomotive Works in Schenectady, New York, was built to hold sugar beets and molasses in Colorado. During World War II, a smallpox extension was added to allow the use of poor quality coal because of wartime restrictions. In 1953, number 60 was purchased by the newly formed short line Blackbird Western Railroad. For tourist excursion service, it pulled the first train out of Flemington in May of 1965. The current bridge we're riding over was built in 1920. Due to its old age, the train crosses over at a slow speed to reduce excessive vibrations to the bridge. And a point of interest, folks, on your left-hand side, you will see Mad Road Farms, specialize in growing different varieties of trees and shrubs and selling to distributors. The white farmhouse in the center of their facilities has quite a history, as it was originally constructed around the time of the Revolutionary War. Coming up on your right-hand side, folks, you will see the former Hunterdon Building Supply Facility. Couple up to the front of the train. You guys are welcome to stretch your legs. You may do so once the train comes to a complete stop. But remember to get back on the train as soon as we're ready to leave, because it's a long walk back to Ringoes. Flemington Station.